Today I'll show how to buy shares of Antero Midstream Corp, a midstream natural gas and energy infrastructure company. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AM, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. You will need a broker to purchase the stock, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you sign up, you will normally verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AM to find the listing quickly. Make sure you select the Antero Midstream Corp entry and not similarly named companies. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view a price chart for recent trading. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and the AM ticker to ensure this is the correct share. Click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and choose Order options. Then review all details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.